begin with a much discussed and a much curious topic, the Global Hunger Index. All of you might have heard this in various news channels and newspapers that India has been ranked at 94 out of the 107 surveying nations. And India is going through a serious phase of hunger. But in this video, let's decode this global hunger index bit by bit right from the starting. So the Global Hunger Index was first time published in the year 2006 jointly by IFPRI, International Food Policy Research Institute of US, along with World Hunger Hive of Germany. World Hunger Hive of Germany. These two institutions, they jointly published the Global Hunger Index in the year 2006 for the very first time. In the year 2007, an Irish NGO called Concern Worldwide also joined in publishing the Global Hunger Index report. In 2018, the International Food Policy Research Institute of the US dropped off and pulled itself out, and currently post 2018 in the year 2019 and 2020 it has been jointly published by the German based World Hunger Hive and the Irish NGO Concern Worldwide. So before moving ahead, let's discuss about the various parameters that the Global Hunger Index deals with. We would also be talking of the ranking and the position of India in respect to all these parameters, but let's first discuss these parameters one by one. The first one is undernourishment. Describes the percentage of population that are undernourished out of the total population of a nation. Then the number 2 is child wasting. It measures the weight to age ratio. If the weight to age of a child below 5 years of age is less, then that child is considered as a waste child. And this shows acute malnutrition. The third parameter, that is child stunting. Child stunting measures height to weight ratio of children below 5 years of age, and it shows chronic malnutrition. The fourth parameter, that is the child mortality, that is the number of stillbirths as well as death of children under 5 years of age. If we will take India in a broad sense, then India has shown improvement in child mortality, in child stunting, but India is still performing alarmingly regarding undernourishment as well as child wasting. In fact, the Global Hunger Index of 2020 described India as a nation of most number of wasted children in the world. Child wasting is highest in India among all the nations out of the 107 nations in the world. Now, let's look at the GHI severity scale. The Global Hunger Index measures the hunger of all the nations on a scale of 0 to 100, and it has divided this scale in various phases. For example, if your hunger index scale is below 10, 0 to 9.9, then hunger is low, hunger is considered as low. If it is 10 to 19.9, the scale, the score, I will talk about the score. India's score was 27.2, but if the score of a nation remains from 10 to 19.9, then it would be called as moderate hunger nation. If the scale falls from 20 to 34.9, if a nation's score falls in the range of 20 to 34.9, then it would be considered as serious hunger, and India falls in this category. India's score is 27.2 and India is having serious hunger. If from 35 to 49.9, if the hunger index ranges in 35 to 49.9, then it would be called as alarming levels. Alarming levels of hunger would be considered. And if the hunger index score is greater than or equal to 50, then it is extremely alarming. The hunger in those nations would be considered as extremely alarming. Coming to India, we will discuss India literally fared really bad and worse in this hunger index. We will discuss about India now one by one in detailed steps. GHI on from India perspective. In the year 2018, India ranked 103 out of the 119 nations in the year 2018. In the subsequent years, India's rank deteriorated. In the year 2019, India ranked at 102 position out of the 117 nations. And in 2020, India's rank is 94 out of the 107 nations. And in 2020, India's score on the GHI severity scale is 27.2, as I have mentioned earlier, and India is witnessing serious levels of hunger. As I have mentioned earlier, in the two parameters, India has shown signs of improvement. That those are undernourishment. India's undernourishment percentage stands at 14% of the population. That means 14% of population of India are undernourished. But India has shown signs of improvement in undernourishment. Next, the second parameter, that is child stunting. In child stunting also, India has approximately 37.4% of stunted children, and India has shown improvement. In the year 2000, 54% of the children were stunted in India, but presently approximately 35% of the children are stunted. So India has shown improvement in undernourishment as well as in child stunting. India's cause of concern is child wasting. As per the reports, India has the most number of wasted children in the world, and in child wasting, India had to do a bit much above what it is doing today. In the gap between 2010 to 2014, India's child wasted children was at 15.1% in the year gap from 2010 to 2014. And from 2014 to 2019, it deteriorated to 17.4% approximately. So it is a cause of concern for India, child wasting and child mortality. India has shown signs of improvement in child mortality with 3.7% of child mortality. India has again shown signs of improvement here. Sorry, undernourishment, India did not show signs of improvement there, but in child mortality, India has shown signs of improvement, and in child stunting, India has shown signs of improvement. Now, considering the entire South Asia and Southeast Asian region, Only three nations in this region, the South Asia and the Southeast Asian region, only three nations have been ranked lower than India. Those are North Korea, Afghanistan, and Timor-Leste. These are the three nations which have been ranked lower than India, with a rank of North Korea 96, Afghanistan 99, and Timor-Leste 106. Remember, Timor-Leste, out of the 107 nations, Timor-Leste is ranked at 106 with a score of 37.6, and North Korea is also under serious hunger with a score of 27.5, and Afghanistan is also under serious hunger with a score of 30.3, but Timor-Leste is at alarming levels of hunger with a score of 37.6. Now, let's take a view and look about the other neighbors, how they fared, did they fare well, and if well, at what levels and at how much level are they ahead of India as per Global Hunger Index. So let's take a look about India's neighbors. Looking at India's neighbors, you can see it very well that China is having a score below than 5. As you can know that from among this, in the score of 0 to 100, a country with less scores is the best positioned country. And those countries that have a score of less than 5, they are combinedly ranked between 1 to 17, and no individual ranks have been published for these countries with a score of less than 5 in the Global Hunger Index. Then coming to Sri Lanka, the Sri Lanka has a score of 16.3, indicating moderate level of hunger, and is ranked at 64. Nepal 19.5, again moderate levels of hunger, and 73 rank. Bangladesh 20.4, serious levels of hunger, and is ranked at 75 position. Myanmar 20.9, serious levels of hunger. You guys might be remembering that 920 to 34.9 is the range of serious levels of hunger, and 9.9 to 10 to 19.9 is the range of moderate levels of hunger. Pakistan, again with a score of 24.6, is witnessing serious levels of hunger and is ranked at 88th position. India 27.2 score GHI score and is at serious levels of hunger and is ranked at 94. The only neighboring nation of India that fared badly than India, Afghanistan, is having a score of 30.3, again coming under serious levels of hunger and is ranked at 99th position. You might be remembering, as we have discussed, the serious level of hunger is from 20 to 34.9. If the score of in the Global Hunger Index remains from 20 to 34.9, then those countries come under serious levels of hunger. So only one nation of India's neighborhood, Afghanistan, is ranked below than India. All other nations of Indian neighborhood are placed above India. This indicates how severity is the hunger crisis and the food and nutrition crisis in India is.